See you guys. So many people ask me, they're like, Jake, how do you stay so sharp and on top of your game in the mountains? Is there any sort of cross training you do on the side? You know, that mental acuity. And I say, well, sometimes I play GTA. I'm not much of a gamer per se, but of all games, this one's pretty fun. And specifically, this video is about how to steal a helicopter, and then secondary, how to steal a military jet. Let's go! So that was my house. So this avatar was made by my 13-year-old daughter. So that explains that. So where we live there, downtown San Andreas, I know the route to the airport. So we're driving to the airport. This is the easiest way to get a helicopter, is what it is. So, quick little drive, we're at the airport. You can run all those people over if you want. But you don't have to. You know, this is the game, you can make it what you want. It can be hyper-violent, extreme insanity, or as my 7-year-old likes to play, she drives through all the stop signs, or she uses all the stop signs and tries to not get chased by cops. It's pretty cute, actually. And then, oh look, this helicopter's just sitting here, ready to go. Easy, it's always there. So that's the easy one. The military jet is less easy. So I bumped her up to 8 speed. There's a beautiful city. We're heading to the military base. And basically, the second you fly over this thing, you got 4 stars. There it is. So the first move, the first way I know to get a dang military jet is to fly over the thing and then jump out with your parachute. A very happy gay pride parachute at that, as we go to parachute into the military base. In the jets, there's usually one sitting right by the runway. So you see the runway directly below that person, and there's a little square pad next to the runway. There's usually a jet sitting there, so we'll see if we got one. And if they're not there, oh, I got 1 star. We're pretty quickly gonna get 4. It's gonna pop up. And if there's not a jet, see that square pad immediately under me? And if they're not there, there's those hangars to the left. There's 3 hangars, 4 hangars on the left in a row. There's usually a jet sitting in there. Oh, we got 4 stars, so they're waiting for me. I'm this dipshit parachuting in from above, and they're just waiting. I'm trying to freaking time my landing here. Let's see how far. Let's see how she goes. Right there. I'm trying to get to those little hangars. I see a jet. There it is. But this is not going well. So that was attempt number 1. Second attempt, so you respawn right outside the gate on the ocean side. There's 2 entrances. There's one on the ocean side and one on the mountain side. So what you do is steal a truck or any vehicle. I like to try to get a vehicle that is big, like a logging truck. When there's logging trucks kicking around in the algorithm, they're pretty good, because when you get through the gate, it's nice to park it in, you know, you park in front of the jet almost as a block. You know, give yourself a block as you jump out to go try to steal the jet. We'll see how it goes, though. These guys are pretty aggressive on the defense. No jet there. Oh, it's the next one. Hop out, get it, run, run, run. Taking shots, taking... Oh, yeah. Respawn, still another vehicle. Try it again. This one's a little quicker. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's try again. Got a box truck again this time. Oh. Oh, I got him though. Oh, so this time I tried something different. Fast car. Stay left. Boom. We're in. We're in the base. It's easy to rip around the base. To get the jets, the hard part. But I got 4 stars now, and they are on me. So I just about... Look at that. He cornered me. Look at this. I just got cornered myself in this freaking corner. Like, oh my god. I think it's over. I'm like literally in the corner. And I know they're waiting for me. Sure enough, look at all these guys. Oh my god. Like, I should be dead. I'm not. Boom. I'm like, get me out of here. So this is a new tactic on how to steal a jet. Get them all fired up. And then leave the base. This is the mountainside. We're out of here. So I got blinking 4-star like I lost him, but then it's still 4. So they're still after me, which I've never actually done this. Have the military chase you off out into the civilian world. So my tactic was to run up a mountain. You know, I try to avoid life if I'm feeling overwhelmed by life. You know, you just go up a mountain, it makes you feel better. Look at this mountain. See that top? I'm like, I'll just keep going. This will be great. They can't get me. And god dang it, look what's in the way. There's a goddamn road cutting through this mountain. Motherfucker. Kinda screwed up the plan. Oh, we are getting shot at aggressively. Try to get back on the mountain again, as if that's gonna save me. We're doing it though. We're back up. My car is falling apart around me. It's not the best mountain traveling vehicle. I mean, you'd think I would be dead by now. I don't know what's happening, but we're doing it. The car is not doing it though. Look, we're just like, yeah, we're not making it, not making it. And the helicopter's like, we're gonna get you.
Oh my god.
So now I'm kind of flailing. This is what flailing looks like. Flailing and
Oh my god.
dead.
Oh.
Alright, well. I still want this jet though. Respawn, I'm in the middle of nowhere. There's not a lot of traffic. That's when... Well, there's my old car. I actually think I might be able to drive it like an idiot. And it's pretty much hooped. It's destroyed. But I gotta go find another car. Oh, there's one right there. So now... I want that Jeep. Look at that Jeep. And I'm like, oh, I'll go get it. But then I'm like, oh. Shoot. Oh, flailing in the woods now. More flailing. Like, what's going on? Get out of this car. Do it right. Stick with the objective. Steal a proper vehicle. Sorry, dude. go back to the military base. Coming in from the mountainside though.
My turn.
Here we go. Let's do it. This side is way less protected in general. There's no one there even at the gate. See if there's a jet. I'm looking for a jet. Got 4 stars. Here they come to get me. There's a jet. Let's do it. Come on, bastard. Get in there. Oh my god, get in. Please get it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Oh, Rosie, I did it. Are you watching? It's amazing. Where should I go now? I should go. Oh, I can shoot something. Oh no! Dang it. Wow, so basically like a dummy.
What's that?
I was hitting all the buttons trying to figure out how to shoot because there was a target, and I ejected, and I didn't really want to. I'm like, okay, maybe I'll go parachute back in and re-steal another jet. Though I've still got 4 stars, and yeah. I like this shot though, the wheeling, the parachute shooting from the parachute. That's fun.
I got 4 stars.
These are desperate times though.
Oh, they're shooting at me. Run. It's desperate times. I'm on foot. 4 stars.
Boy, you're in the way.
I gotta get a car.
What is that? That flame is like stuck in.
It's a statue. Like I'm using the trees as cover. Gotta get a car.
Get a cop car.
Any car. There's one. Oh, that's a military jeep.
Get it.
Oh god.
You got it. Get it.
Oh. Good game. That was a couple good edits actually right there.